Hello guys, today we are taking advantage of new coin listings on Gate.io. What is new coin listing? We will explain that in a moment, but first let's take a look at our settings. We have set buy limit on 4, which is fairly high. Profit margin has been set on 1.8, which is basically 80% profit. And finally, stop loss is the highest loss accepted, which in our case is 75% of the buying price. Let's get back to the new coin listing. New coin listing is an action where new coin is being listed on exchange. We're taking advantage of buying really fast and thus buying at lower price. Let's see what is gonna happen. We have profited solid $20. That's all for today guys, see you in the next one.